Hey guys, or at least here coming at you with another card opening video. I was at Walmart and I grabbed an upper deck pack that we just did. But I mixed it up on clearance for $8. I grabbed a 2020 30 card value pack Donruss baseball 2020. I need to get my fix of baseball so far this year. Um, Obviously, it would be my first. This would be my first non-hockey pack. So that's interesting. 30 also too. So this is a fat pack. Find one vector and 3 holo red parallels. No idea what that meant, although it did catch my eye. So I checked out the back here. Just a wide variety, guys. They have all sorts of um, season milestones, career milestones. They have Players Weekend cards. They have Independence Day cards. Just a wide variety. I really had no idea what to expect going into this pack. I had never heard of this brand before. But 2020, I like that. So they should be nice and up to date. Jordan Alvarez, I like me my Houston Astros. So let's get going on this pack, guys. Oh, psych! Before we get going on this pack, almost forgot. I have to shout out my two favorites, two of the OGs of the card game. Obviously, Tyler Reed. We've linked up with his content before. We've shouted him out before. You know him, but I'll put his channel in the description below. But I also wanted to shout out today, guys, Sports Breaks. His channel is excellent as well. Definitely check it out. He opens tons of boxes, tons of packs, but he also does giveaways as well. He did a group giveaway just last night, so make sure you check out his channel as well. These two guys, both of them, I will, if I do not forget, will put their channels in the description below. So, but anyways, let's get going on this Jordan Alvarez pack, Donruss baseball. Matt Olson, not bad. I see some fancy cards back there. In the back here, you'll see some fancy cards. So, again, what I might do, guys, is maybe split some of these obvious bases in half, just so we don't not all at once at the end there. We can mix up a little bit. Jorge Soler, not bad. Yelly. Just, is Christian Yelich Ichiro now? He just goes by Yelly. It's kind of cringeworthy, but I guess I have a Yelly card. Swag. Sam Hillard, Colorado Rockies. I have a bunch of these things. A Breg. Oh, gosh. Wow, that's sexy. Wow. Diamond. Look at this. It's like a painting, guys. Diamond Kings. Juan Soto. Wow, what a nice card. I gotta be careful with this one for sure. I like this. Diamond Kings, Juan Soto. Number 23. No idea of how many, but maybe we'll check the back of the pack at the end and see how many Diamond Kings. Mauricio Doban of the San Francisco Giants. Oh, we got another one of these, eh? Paul Goldschmidt. Goldie. I like that. Number 25. Diamond Kings. I like my Diamond Kings. Hate those Players Weekend cards or whatever they are, but that's alright. Travis Dermite. Yoshitomo Satsugo with the Tampa Bay Rays. Oh, what is this? Oh, nice. A game worn Brandon Lowe. I like that. Shout out Brandon Lowe, killing it in my Montreal Expos franchise. Maybe we'll pop a bay window for that at the end of this video. Brandon Lowe, nice. Game worn, I like that. We got this nice shiny metallic looking Brian Reynolds Pittsburgh Pirates card. I like that, but we won't do anything special with it. Same with this one, this Acuna card. Jake Fraley. This one's holographic as well. This is a great, wow. Oh, it just came. Oh, wow, nice. Oh, yes. That's great, guys. Wow. Highlights. Acuna card. Wow. I like that. I like this one a lot. Don Mattingly throwback. Oh, we got some throwbacks here. That's what these are. Darryl Strawberry. Willie Castro. Lewis Thorpe. Michael King. And then the rest of our bases here, I guess, right? Matt Olson. Eduardo Rodriguez. Gene Segura. Luke Weaver. Robbie Ray. Max Fried. Mitch Henniger. Once great Uranus Blazer. Sonny Gray. Ooh, a Bryce card. Albert Pujols. And Joey Gallo. You know what, guys? I was just ranting about Albert Pujols the other day. Has a chance to become, I believe, one of the OG players to get 700 hits and 700 home runs. But now it will be a stretch because he's super old. Albert Pujols. Oh, yeah. Oh, doubles. That's what it was. Doubles. Yeah. 661 home runs. 656. Albert's almost in this double 700 club. But anyways, guys, I wanted to find one vector holo and 3 red parallels. I could have sworn I saw somewhere on some packaging something about a rolled Acuna, but okay, let's see here. Oh, fuck it, I have no idea. But anyways, sick pull here. Just a sick pull. Roll Acuna, youngest with 40 home runs and 30 stolen bases. Nice. Number H9. This Brendan Lowe game worn. Number DMBL. And a pair of Diamond Kings. Goldschmidt. But oh, look at this. Juan Soto Diamond Kings. What a sexy card. Number 23. I do wonder how many. Anyways, guys, that's today's video. We just went over the highlights again. Give me another review and rewatch it if you want to see the bases again. Shout out my two OGs. But for now, I will see you in the next video.